This is the 18th hole of the very famous golf course at Trump Doral in Miami. And this is the two-bedroomed presidential suite in the Arnold Palmer Villa. You can imagine all the golfers here who have been here, who have sat around and talked about games past, rounds past. The biggest tournament is here again, April 2025. There's plenty of space for golf storage. I've got a kitchen there and a second bedroom. The master bedroom is really very pleasant. I like the bed. The outline four-poster looks very comfy. No signs of USBs anywhere. In fact, there's a scarcity of sockets, but just enough. Natura Bizet toiletries. Somebody said to me before I was coming here, it's not exactly very modern. I think I would prefer to say it's classic in a discreetly comfy and confident way. And I do love the coloring. It would have been easy to go with browns because of the stonework, but the blue really works. And there are some classy things, like this welcome note.